Hi everyone, welcome. Today there is a small video on how to upload any doubts that you have got while you are pursuing any of our courses. Let us see that particular video. Okay. So I have taken one of the courses from our particular database, which is ICEP Dhanush, which we have done it for schools. Okay. So you will be having something called as doubt clarification forum. Okay, while in the course it is separately mentioned as a topic here. Okay, in every single area you will be having doubts clarification forum. For example, this is mathematics, so you will be having mathematics doubt clarification forum, and from here English starts, so you will be having English doubts clarification forum here. Okay, so likewise for every area you will be having doubts clarification forum. So if you get any doubts while you are reading or while you are watching the videos, there is no need for you to go to a separate application and then upload the doubts there. You can directly upload where you are actually reading itself. Now for example, let us say I am watching this video, tables introduction. Okay, something I have got a doubt here. Okay, let it load. So what you can, so this is tables introduction. Now let us say I will not press play. Let us say you got a doubt here after viewing or while viewing this. What you can do, directly you can come to mathematics doubt clarification forum, which is in your left hand side. Okay, just click on this, and then immediately what you can do, you can click on this particular link, come here, add a new discussion or a topic that is says, then have a subject like doubt in multiplications or doubt in divisions, something like this. Now you can actually have various options here. One is you can type whatever the doubt is, like sir, I have a doubt in so and so, so and so, so and so. Or if there is any image that is there on your mobile or a laptop, you can add it by clicking this here. If you are not sure, just go to that particular icon and then just keep it there. It will show insert or edit image, so press that. Okay, now what you can do is you can enter here the image things or whatever it is. If you are not having the URL, you can browse it. It will be asking to browse it through any of these things. Okay, now you can, from here you can say upload a file. Okay, now choose a file, then you can go to then it goes to your laptop things like this. Okay, now you can choose any sort of an image. For example, let us say there is an image in my desktop, let us say. Okay, so okay, there is no image as such here. Okay, now okay, so you can select any of these images and then just say open. Okay, okay, let us take this, just say open. Okay, then it will be like this, and you can upload this file. Okay, once you have uploaded this file, okay, it will be added as an attachment here, and then just say post to forum. Okay, I will be telling one more time, image and also the video both are same. Okay, when you press the image, it will ask for these details. Just say browse repositories, upload a file, it is selected, choose file. Okay, then go to that particular laptop location and then choose the file as you normally do. Okay, now this is same, and upload video is also the same. I'll just show you. This is also upload a video file or an audio file. Just click on that, just browse repositories, upload a file, choose file. Again it goes back to your laptop or mobile where you can upload a file from. You can upload a audio MP3 file or a video MP4 file, okay, whatever it is, okay. So you can upload it here, and then you can just say post to forum. If you want to upload any of other documents like Word document or something like that, click on advanced. Once you click on advanced, an attachment box like this opens, okay. Then it is little slow here, so like this it opens. Now what you can do, you can just drag and drop files here, or you just press this icon, add, again upload a file, choose a file. Here you can add any file to it, it will take, okay, like a document doc file or a PPT file, whatever file you can add it, it will take here, okay. Like this, whatever doubts you have, you can communicate, just press post to forum and it will be posted like this. Now I will be getting notification that someone has posted doubts, and our team will review your doubt and they will send you a reply message clarifying your doubt, okay. So this is how you can use the doubt forums. I urge or insist students to use doubt forums to the maximum extent possible, because if you try calling us, or if you try connecting us through WhatsApp, maybe will not be that convenient to speak over phone, because we will be getting many phones in a day, and WhatsApp also it will not be easy. Once you have your doubts here, give us 24 hours time. Within that time we will definitely come back to you. If that is not happening, then you can ping us in WhatsApp, okay. So thank you for listening to this video on how actually you can share your doubts, or share your concerns for asking doubts in our LMS system, okay. There are various things that you can do. Please utilize this to the best extent possible. Thank you for listening to this video. I'll see you in another video. Till that time, have a nice day. Bye bye.